So every application have its own definitions and functionalities here. So you can see here, so it creates projects. In the projects, Flipkart, and there it is creating SRC and app related options. Other files we know. What are the files created? We know. Means inside the project, what files are present we know already. That is SRC. So inside the SRC, you will find an app folder. And inside the app, what files are present? Inside SRC, what are present? So these are, this is the basic file structure. Let's take a look about this now here. So it is still generating the packages for our application, right? Yeah. So now from your workspace, running the projects and application also a different process. You not directly actually. Once you create the project, and how do we start the project actually? So to start any specific application, actually what we do is, so here we have my projects, that is the my workspace. Generally we are using ng server. So this time we are running a project inside a workspace. Then we have to use ng server. We have to use ng server, and we need to configure here. So just hyphen project is equal to which project? Flipkart. That's how we have to run. So that means we have to start the project, and this is how we start the project. So not directly ng server open, because in a workspace the project is started in this way. That's how we configure and start the project, right? Yeah. So let's see here. So let's configuring the project here. Installing these packages also, you know, it will take a little while. And the file structure for this same, no difference in that. That means already what we learned. So it will take a little while, right? So it's going on, right? So meanwhile, you can see here in the design, actually, you can see now, you will find that here additionally in the node modules, you can see in the my workspace, a new folder is present here. Projects folder is present here. And you expand that and see in the projects, you will find Flipkart. In the projects, you will find Flipkart. In that Flipkart, you have SRC, you have end-to-end. So this is where your project is available. This is where the project is available. So now that's the reason we cannot directly run it. Adding the components also, we need to add every time in a specific way. In SRC, you know, there will be an app folder. So technically what happens is when you want to generate components in your project, that means generating components. So you cannot generating components and services, pipes, modules, everything. You cannot directly do here. Actually, you have to go to the path in this way. C:/my workspace. Inside that, you need to go to projects. That means projects. In that projects, so we have a Flipkart. In Flipkart, SRC. In SRC app. Here you have to generate everything. So you cannot directly run ng generate component. You cannot directly run ng generate service. You have to generate all your components in the app folder, of your project. That means you have to change to that location and create. So that means always change to app folder to generate components, services, pipes, modules, and services. That is what you have to do. You cannot directly configure. That means now you can create here ng generate component home like this. Commands are common here. Only the point is where you generate and how do you start with your project. These are important things. Still working on these packages. Inside the project structure, it is same, right? Nothing different. Inside the project structure, everything is similar. Already we discussed that while creating an application, right? Right. So